OFA review. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today, I'm gonna review a course called One Funnel Away Challenge to give you a full demo plus a full review about what is One Funnel Away all about on my laptop. I will give you all of the details in this video, so stay tuned till the end. And without wasting any further time, let's get started. But before I start this video, I need a favor from you. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe my channel by clicking on the red button below and hit the notification set. Also, when I upload a new video, you get notified first. And if you have any question by purchasing this course, so please contact me on my Instagram account. You DM me, and if you have any questions, so you can comment me, of course. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now I'm here inside of the members area of OFA, and you see I'm inside of the members area and the front page of the members area of One Funnel Away Challenge. So yeah, after you logged in, after purchasing this course, you logged in your account after creating your account. So your page similar like this. Okay, so you can access the pre-challenge mission. Okay, so I will show you what is the pre-challenge mission. So this is opening. The pre-challenge mission is all about, they give Russell Brunson will give you some trainings about One Funnel Away and what is One Funnel Away all about, how the One Funnel Away works, and first of all, should you buy this product or not. So I will suggest you need this product, but before you purchase this product, you need to know the basics of affiliate marketing. Okay, how you can the means what is the basic of affiliate marketing means the core principles of affiliate marketing, like you need to build a page. You need to know how you can build a page professionally, okay, in any software. Then you can um, then you can buy this course, because if you don't know what is the basics of affiliate marketing, so you don't need this. Okay, so you need to have the basics of affiliate marketing. Okay, and they will give you some training, means 5-day lead challenge. This is the best training for lead generation. And yeah, here we have some trainings and more of the things. You see here we have the pre-training page. Okay, and we have mission training. Okay, so let's jump on mission training, and you get your secret area where you can access your 30-day training. Okay, and what is the secret area? This is a Facebook course. Okay, so you see here I am inside of the Facebook group, and you see here in 25 days they will teach me how can I build my online business. Okay, they will, if you complete this challenge, so you have the idea how the all of market works. Okay, what is the core principles of affiliate marketing, where you can start your any business. Okay, not just affiliate marketing, in your B2B, in your consultant business, and more of the businesses. Okay, and the big question is how you can do this. They will give you all of the support, means on the first day they will teach you, if first day they will teach you how you can build a funnel. Okay, so the support team will teach you how you can build a funnel step by step. And if you have any question by building your funnel, so you can join the live class and get your answers. Okay, so yeah, you see here this is my Facebook group. I already completed this group, and I watch all of the trainings here. Okay, you see here all of the trainings, and they will give you daily assignments. After watching the daily training in 30-day period, they will give you the one pagers like this, so where you have your what I need to do today. Okay, so yeah, this is the members area of, and then we have some bonus trainings, means 30day.com. You know the 30day.coms is a interview. Okay, means there will so many entrepreneurs will talk about together. Okay, so this is the bonus training, and after completing your course you have OFA alumni. What is OFA alumni all about? I will show you. OFA alumni is like you get your t-shirts. Okay, means when you earn $1,000, so you can get ClickFunnels one comma club award, and they will send you the one comma club award where you have your name and the signatures, whatever. And after completing this training you have your t-shirt, I complete this mission. Okay, and how you can get this t-shirt? Simply you need to make a review about OFA, means like I am reviewing OFA. What is OFA all about? Should you buy this or not? So you need to create a review after completing your course. Then you need to upload the course on upload the video on YouTube. Then you get this t-shirt. And if you earn $1,000, so you can get your first achievement, which is one comma club. This is like best. So yeah, this is the, and you have some bonus trainings, means affiliate bootcamp, submit all access, and motor submit all access, you see here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you, and if this video is helpful for you, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe my channel by clicking on the red button below, so when I upload a new video you get notified first. And again, the main question is, should you buy or not? I will suggest and highly recommend you need this, and please buy this. And if you do not buy this, so you because Russell Brunson will teach you all of the details about marketing. What is a strategy to drive traffic in your funnel, website, opt-in page, whatever you call that. Okay, this is the best training. And if you don't know now what is the basics of affiliate marketing, please check out my partner with Anthony review video. So where partner with Anthony teach you what is the basic of affiliate marketing in 30 days, only just $7 a month. Okay, so I hope guys this video is helpful for you. And if you want to watch my partner with Anthony, means PWA review, click on the second link on description and you are able to watch the review of partner with Anthony. And if you are ready to buy this course, means one funnel away, you are ready to buy one funnel away, so what you need to do, simply click on the first link on the description and you are able to come on his sales page of one funnel away. So this is opening. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So please check out my partner with Anthony review, and this is the sales page. So if you click on the first link on description, so you are able to come on that page. Okay, so okay guys, so I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.